Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to change the brightness of the torch or flashlight in iPhone or iPad. So first you open a control center. I'm opening control center. Just long press the torch icon. You can see this. Then you can adjust the brightness of the torch light by using steps here. If you choose the first one, this is the light intensity, and you can increase a bit more. This is second level of intensity, and still you can increase the light intensity, and there is a further increment to the intensity. So this is how we can adjust brightness of the torch light in any of the iOS devices. So one more time, I'm switching off, and this is the first level and this is the highest level. Thanks for watching.